Along with organization features like mailboxes and rules, Mail also has several different ways to quickly find specific emails. First up, we have the search field up here in the toolbar. Let's start with searching for a name. I'll enter Drew. We get results that are split into a couple categories: people and subject. Under people are contacts and email addresses that are associated with that name. And under subject are emails with that name in their subject line. I'll select Drew S. here in the people results. And now in the search field, I can choose to search only the emails that are from Drew, have been sent to Drew, or the entire message, which will search the entirety of all emails for the name Drew. We can also add to the search. So I'm going to search email from Drew and add the word plan. That whittles the results down to just 3 results. And if I make the word plans, we just get a single email in the results. Notice that right now I'm only searching within my iCloud account because it's selected over in the sidebar. Select all inboxes, and now I can search both email accounts at once. This time, let's search for a certain month. I'll enter March 2019. That turns up every email from that month in both my inboxes. If I add in a specific date here, such as the 23rd, we get just one result. Click on the X in the search field to clear your search. Next, we can use the filter button up here. Click on this and all my emails disappear. Click and hold on the filter button to see why. Currently, it's set to only show unread emails, of which I have none. Go to Disable Message Filter to turn it off. Notice that this is white when off and blue when on. So now let's set the filter to only show mail with attachments that are contained in my iCloud account. Turn off the unread filter, and I can now see those results. Just click on the filter button to quickly activate or deactivate this. Filter can also be accessed from up in the View menu in case you have your toolbar hidden. Also from the View menu, we can choose from several different ways to sort mail. Currently, I have this set to date, with the newest messages on top. To sort in a different way, just select one of the other parameters. If I sort by size, the email with the largest attachment appears at the top of the list. Any mailbox can be sorted individually. So in the Photos Smart Mailbox, I could sort who the messages are from, either A to Z or Z to A. Notice my other inboxes remain sorted by date. Another good way to keep track of important emails is the flag tool. When one or more messages are selected, we can either click the flag button up in the toolbar or right-click on the message to flag it. And we're able to choose from a variety of flag colors. Once flagged, the message has a flag icon added to it in both the preview column and the message header. Unflag with a click in the toolbar or with a right click. When messages are flagged, they can be searched for as well as used as a filter or sort parameter. We can even search by flag colors like purple or orange. Finally, we can set certain people or addresses as VIPs. In the From field in this message, I can click on Drew's name and add him as a VIP. I'm going to do the same for the macu.com. Now click on the VIP's inbox, and we will only see emails from those two senders. And each VIP gets their own folder within the VIPs. So I can quickly see only emails from Drew or from the macu.com. In the main inbox, messages from VIPs have a star icon added to them. Notice that we can also use VIPs within the filter tool. Right-click on someone in the VIP inbox and we're able to remove them from VIPs. Next up, we'll look at junk mail filtering.